Now a man came up to Jesus and asked,
Teacher, what good thing must I do to get eternal life?
Why do you ask me about what is good?
Jesus replied,
There is only one who is good. If you want to enter life, obey the commandments.
Which ones?
the man inquired. Jesus replied,
Do not murder, do not commit adultery, do not steal, do not give false testimony, honor your father and mother, and love your neighbor as yourself.
All these I've kept.
the young man said.
What do I still lack?
Jesus answered,
If you want to be perfect, go sell your possessions and give to the poor, and you will have treasure in heaven. Then come follow me.
When the young man heard this, he went away sad, because he had great wealth.